Unraveling the journey, SpaceX's evolution from Falcon 1 to Starship. Welcome to a realm where science fiction meets reality, where we will trace the extraordinary evolution of SpaceX's rockets. Picture the early days, with Falcon 1, modest, yet groundbreaking, it was the vital first step on an ambitious journey. Transitioning to Falcon 9, we witness a shift to reusable rockets, a game-changer that completely revolutionized spaceflight. Moving further, we delve into Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful operational rocket, capable of carrying enormous loads into orbit. Next, we explore Dragon, a spacecraft designed to ferry humans, a true testament to SpaceX's commitment to manned space exploration. Ending our journey, we arrive at Starship, bold, cutting-edge, it symbolizes the future of interplanetary travel. Join us as we journey through SpaceX's incredible evolution and dream together of what the future may hold.